mostly just upload speed on this awful Wi-Fi.
Alright, so what we're doing now, this is section 2 of...
This is colors swapped back to before.
Yeah.
Text is halfway between the two, and the skybox is gone.
Right, so...
Presumably. I should have tested this. We can put mine on.
Quit reload. Oh, am I offline now?
No, I'm also getting a white screen.
No, but I'm online with the phone.
No, I think I might have broken something. Let me see what the error message is.
Okay.
Failed to load resource. Oh. I know what happened. The packager has a built-in error, so I have to manually edit the code once it builds. It's really simple, but I just forgot to do it this time.
A Thompson 20/temp, right?
Yeah. And there's the update.
Okay.
That was my bed.
Just gonna send my wife a message. Oh, that didn't work. Night night, darling. Don't often do that. Okay. So is that turquoise or teal, that reloading bar? What would you call it?
We might have different colors. Are you talking the line?
Yeah, the tiny little.
It's kind of a... Let's see. Turquoise is more greenish.
Okay, so I think this is really good. Really, really good. What I would like to see is a floor.
Oh, a floor. Interesting.
Yeah, I think we need a floor now. I'm just going to try to get a bit of capture of this.
A floor would be easy, I think. Let me go try to put that in.
This is not that. No, press Pro. Yeah, this is actually very, very pleasant. It's super simple.
Yeah.
I'm going to record a bit of it and also show it to the folks at home, as they say on the video. There are some text rendering issues, and I look forward to hearing what it looks like in the Quest number 3. But this is... This is bigger than 27 inches, to say a joke. Alright, so now I'm going to try to do a thing. Will we be able to have something other than black ball hands?
Yeah. You can map different models on there. The black balls are the joints, and they're really useful for development, so I can target specific gestures.
Can you just make them more grey, so they're not so severe, or is that not helpful to you? Not that it matters that much.
Yeah, so I'm not sure how to change them, because they're a model. I can replace the model.
Oh, okay, fine.
I would say if it's just like an aesthetic thing, don't worry about it, because it's not long-term. And it's not easy to change.
So hang on. If I want to point, I do my finger like that.
Yeah, do you see the line?
And then... Okay, the line changed a bit.
Yeah, the line changes to blue if you select.
Okay. Not always. Which is okay. That's
yeah, so try to pull your fingers in a bit more. More obvious gestures tend to track better.
So I'm going to take the word document.
Point, and then curl your pointer finger. It'll pull towards you.
So how is it, brother?
Absolutely amazing.
What are you looking at now?
I'm so excited to show you. Please come and have a seat immediately. This is super simple, and thus maybe
I'll do it.
quite good.
What are you picturing for a floor color?
Slightly darker grey. This is really good.
You know, I can't find the thing on this one. The
Titan. I can do that.
Where's show me where it is, because I know where it is on the other one.
Up there.
Oh, okay,
It's no, the wrong way. The other way.
Yeah, it's a little bit different than the other one.
Oh, instead of it's like a wheel instead of a whole circle.
Wheel of good fortune.
May I ask a question? Is it possible not to have any background at all and just have the gray?
That's what we have now.
No, there's a white box.
No. Oh, you mean to have it floating just in space?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would be, I think that would be really nice.
Oh,
I think the
That's where we
box
started.
made sense when you had a textured background, but if you're in a blank background,
Don't
just
need it.
having the text would be lovely.
Get rid of the box.
I don't agree with that, so I look forward to texting both of them. I think it's good to have a frame to work in, but if it turns out that we don't need it, we don't need it. The less we have, the better it is.
As a scholar,
As a scholar.
as a scholar, I don't need a box when I have other square shapes that are going to be around here, and I don't want it to be limited to this scope. I want it, all my documents to be all around me, right? So I don't want any boundaries. So boundaries mean boundaries of thought.
Boundaries are bad.
Boundaries are bad. I don't want constraints in my ability to think and stretch my brain. I don't want someone to tell me something's by 8 by 10, because what I love about the web is that this infinite scroll.
Yep.
And that's why I jump to the web like duck to water, right?
So, Andrew, when you now remove the...
Does that make sense?
I agree.
It's perfect.
When I look at a
Like you
piece of paper, it's like I can't even think about designing to that paper anymore.
said. When you now
My brain hurts
follow the doctor's
to
order,
think about it.
the floor, will that automatically map onto the
Plus, I think
physical
that's what we
floor?
kind of
Is there a
expect
way
from
we'll know the
virtual
depth?
space,
I
right?
do.
So the
This
floor
is the
is
point
going
of
to
it.
map
Why even
to
enter a space that
what the
has
headset thinks
the
the floor is.
limitations of
That's fine.
physical
Okay.
If
space?
I wanted a
often
boundary, I
wrong.
could just use
That's
my
okay, that's
computer.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I wanted a boundary, I'd have 10 husbands. I'm sorry, but you know what I mean. I just want. I want to be free in this space, and I don't want like any horizon. I want it to be just void.
Oh, we're about to add a horizon.
Don't do that.
No. We do want a floor, right?
No.
Well, we're definitely going to test with the floor, because that's what Andrew's done now. You have to reload, and so we're going to remove the box and add a floor, and then we can keep going, removing the floor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna just end up with like the simplest common denominator.
Yeah, that's what I like. That's exactly what I wanted to begin with. Nothing fancy. Don't need a graph. Don't need no stinking room. I just need infinite space.
What we need is badges, right?
We need stickers. Lots of stickers.
What is a sticker in this context that you guys talk about?
Holly, show 'em our L sticker. Maybe
Oh,
he'll
it's
want
like
one.
it's like a sticker, like
oh, right, okay. Oh, okay, cool.
over here.
Yeah, oh yeah, I've seen them.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
It's just like a sticker you slap on your water bottle or your laptop.
They're very cool. They're very American. Everybody puts stickers on their
We have.
laptop.
It's
Can I
definitely
have
a
one,
tech
please?
thing.
As a tech thing.
Absolutely.
Thank you. But we also have FTL stickers, actually. They were designed to go on the headset. You'll notice on the headset it has text on the top.
It does, yes.
I can see you. I put that on. I made that and put it on. Say if I work in a public place, people are aware that's probably passed through.
It's very respectable.
I expect I'll work with the Vision Pro a lot more in public.
Here's Jacob Hazelgrove.
He is
my
my coder of author.
Okay, because I've not met him.
Very, very clever, very, very unavailable. Because I can't afford him a lot.
What do you pay your programmer? An hour?
A lot.
A lot.
Well, I think it's a lot. I think he does not agree with me. Not for discussion.
We were paying those Ruby on Red programmers a fortune.
They weren't even very effective.
No, they weren't, but they're nice. I liked them. I got a cup out of it.
Andrew, that looks like a nice gray.
Yeah.
I like the gray that's in there right now. It's pretty.
Rotation's a little bit weird in here. I'm trying to figure out what it is.
Are we flooring or not for the next rep?
We're trying.
Okay.
I'm currently having trouble flooring.
Well,
How
let's
about-
we can do it without flooring
Do
first.
without flooring first. Give me what I want first. Make Mama happy.
Well, let's see. What's the difference? What's the next change then?
Floor.
Yeah. Then we
Okay,
have
so
floor
you just don't want the box right now,
I
right?
don't want
Just let
anything.
her stand in space.
All right.
I want things floating in
Then let
space.
me
Including
kill the
herself.
floor.
Kill the
The
floor.
floor is dead.
Kill the square.
Everything's dead now.
Just text.
You did
Floating in
this.
space.
Just the future of text. Yeah,
Just
Dini, I'm
text.
so glad we're doing this particular thing today because so many of our ideas are overcomplicated so far. This reduces them to almost nothing.
Oh hell yeah! We should not be spending a lot of time on
This horrible thing called
Well, this is what-
functionality. It
well,
should
no, no,
all
no.
be look and feel.
design.
being
I
sarcastic.
mean, this is why I didn't want Alan involved in this. I don't want him to start.
This is going on record.
Oh god.
Not that part.
No, but no, Dina, that's fair enough. I really like Alan's contribution. I hope it will be more.
You take this out.
But
You will take this out.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you for making lots of work for me. These are massive files. But yes, I can take it out. Now, on the note of where this design fit, you know, like print obviously and screen obviously are very different. Same with this, we got to keep playing.
All right, Dini, you got your void.
Now I need to get out and go back in.
Yeah. Do you remember that? It's not easy. Try your right hand, and then you should have the menu button come up when you
Yes.
finish.
Yep.
The background's still there. How? Is my cache just wrong?
The menu shows up.
Let me know if you still have the background because
I do.
it's gone in the
no,
code.
but she hasn't restarted yet, have you?
Oh,
No. I'm trying to get all this
oh
stuff
if
out
you
of the
haven't
way.
restarted yet.
Hang on. I'm getting all this stuff out of the way. Go.
What is that stuff?
I have Rob Swigert in my hands.
No, but that should be irrelevant because once you have the menu,
I was trying to get it out of my hands so I could see better. It was on my hands. Okay, I'm out. Or Andrew's out.
okay, so try to reload then.
Andrew, you gonna reload me now?
You have to do that.
Oh, good. Okay, reloaded. I still have a square. A white square.
You must not have reloaded because it's.
Can I have a try then?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So, Andrew,
Yes.
that's a annoying question.
Yeah.
Within what we're testing now, what is the workload for you to? Hang on, I haven't got the menu yet. There we go.
What's
Okay,
the
for
annoying question?
some reason that worked. Okay, the question is to take the circle and to move it onto the wrist,
Yeah.
being completely non-functional, but to do that,
Yeah.
what level of effort is that?
It depends what you want it to look like. If you just want a ball
A
that's a
ball.
color, that should be easy.
Just a ball,
Okay.
but not green.
Yeah. The green is very placeholder as well. It was just to have a. Hey, look! I can customize the button.
It's a perfect placeholder.
I want to see one of the student designs that we're really interested in.
Okay, guys. So, Dini, this is your wish. I don't have a face. Come on.
This one, Dana. Let's see. Right? She's
What?
like, can you give me design feedback? I was like,
I'm gonna have to do so much editing.
Yeah,
no, that's good.
looking good.
What do you think of this?
The empty space.
Yeah.
I think it's nice and elegant.
I thought she was making
Yes.
It feels
Okay.
like a developer environment, but that's because it literally is.
Is she
isn't
kinda
bad.
is?
This is okay.
I don't think that she's
Dini.
Oh, that's so much nicer. Oh yeah. This is what I want right here. And then I want to be able to like grab one of those and drag it over there. See that? Now he's over there. Definition's over there. Now I'm going to grab infrastructure.
Can you like put it behind you if you want?
So
Yeah. Yeah,
what
that's
I
the
would like is to change the color of the initial ball
Right.
to be a slight blue.
Slate blue.
So I can organize them
Slight
Holly
blue,
by
yeah,
like
your shirt,
importance,
but less
right?
saturated.
That can go way
Okay.
over there. Like I don't need
Like
that
a
right
gray
now.
blue.
That's way over there.
Yeah.
Okay. But I can grab that, go over there. I could pull perspectives, go up in the sky. I mean, now I can actually organize my space so that there's a hierarchy of space. You know?
So, Dini, one of the important things taking from author is that you will be able to select things by category, not just individual pieces.
Yeah, that's gonna be great.
Yeah, and arrange them by category.
Yeah, that's great. Well, what's nice is I now have the space to do any of this, right? I've got things all around me now. And I can even grab them and move them again, right? I like things hovering in front of me. Yeah. This is how I imagine working, just like this.
So what I think we should do next steps for right now is Andrew's already changing the color of the ball, so we have a little bit of rounding. And can you just, instead of that text, just use the text we had, you know, tap me to enter VR, and then also a line saying, for controls, I will be on your wrist. Even though we're not going to do it now, just have it there.
You want me to put the text in?
Yeah.
So I can long term. The thing is, it's currently being completely created by a JavaScript module I don't have control over. So I'm overwriting that with CSS, which is totally fine.
Okay.
But the text is not editable.
Okay, fine.
So I can write a code that then overwrites it on top, but if it's just a test, it's probably not worth it right now.
Now tell me how I make a photograph of this.
You don't. Oh, no, you can actually. I'm sorry, I forgot. I'm doing it on here as well.
Okay.
But what you do your pinch gesture to get the menu, and one of them on there should say record.
I see a 0, like a sideways 0. Is that the menu? Yeah, I see it now. Okay, now I see menu.
Something on there should say record on that little menu.
I see a bunch of icons. Is it there's a camera?
That's the one.
A camera.
Yes.
Okay.
So Andrew, my second question is, just as a primitive, can we mock up having our command thing in there?
What command thing? You mean like the quick menu?
Not here, not functional, but just this all the time here, just to see how it feels.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely.
Great, do it.
Yeah. Is that next? Let me get the floor in first.
Forget the floor. Sorry, Dini won.
Now it's telling me I can take the photo. When I click on it, it tells me that I can't feature.
Unless there's not a lot of
Almost
work.
done with the floor.
Feature not
I want to
available
at
while
least see
casting.
if the floor is.
Dini, I have recorded it on my phone for us anyway, so we have a record of what these look like.
I guess I just wanted to learn how to do it. So that's just me trying to be a girl, not be a
No,
girl.
but just experiment with it then.
Well, I did. I clicked on take photo, and it's telling me feature not available while casting.
Oh, because it's currently already being streamed.
Okay, so let me uncast then. Okay, try now, please.
Okay. To quickly take photo, hold, then press the right control trigger. Okay, saved. All right, I can now view and save my photo now. Good, it's right there. Okay, perfect. So I need to get out of this. To get out of this, I click that X in this menu. Is that correct?
I don't know where you are seeing the X. What
There's
does it
a
look like?
interface in front of me with camera stuff.
Andrew, is that what she does
I
to get
have
out of
no
it?
idea what she's looking at.
Oh.
Camera stuff?
Explore, Dini. No
D-
one,
D-
no
Dini,
one knows.
Dini, how can we know what's in your mind? How can anyone know
John's
that?
been trying for 28 years and it hasn't worked yet. Ask him. He's given up. He just gives me whatever I want, and we get along just fine. Okay, so that's there. So look, Andrew, that's what I'm looking at. It's right there.
Ooh.
I got a little hand.
Oh, you're looking at the
It's a menu.
the
right
file
there.
explorer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want me to close it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried to
Exit.
hit the X.
Yeah, the X is all you need.
Yeah, we'll try. Okay, perfect. I love that. It's been fantastic.
Cool.
All right. Now what?
Um,
What's up, boss?
now I try to figure out why nothing is working.
Okay, I'll pause our recording for a bit.
Didn't expect the